Progress. Camper in a box. Insta camper. There we go. You know what that looks like? That looks like a 1977 Sunline Sportster Deluxe. Oh, woo, woo. Getting her. Finally looking like something. I wish I had a fisheye lens. Come on, Nat. There you go. I got you hung. I don't even know what the heck if he looks good up back there. I'm just hanging it. I don't know. We'll look at the video later. That's what I'm thinking. You guys are seeing it real time here. Real time, live. No, I'm just joking. So anyway, here we go. We got it on the moving dollies. I'll give you a little walk around. Got all the wing walls. Got all the side walls. Whew, I tell you what. What's that look like? A camper. Next up is the bunk floor. As you can see, it's empty. Yup. There we go. Sneak peek right in the fridge hole. Paneling. Don't use that hole. I don't know what you're talking. Why would you try that? I'm just joking. I hit a screw. So, there you go. There you go. Compartment there. Got the opening. Got the floor covered so that it stays decent. So that's going to be our finished floor. It's plywood. We're going to finish it. Because, you know, people building things like this, they need to see the underbelly. Everybody wants to just look at the top till they need to build it, and then they need that underbelly shot. I'm going to give it to you right here, guys. Right here, right now. There you go. So, all things considered, she went smooth. I had to throw in a 3/16 shim in between the front wall on both sides. That was the only thing. Because of our measurements and everything went as, you know, planned, and just a lot of planning. A lot of planning. Measurements and double checking. Here's the back wall. There's a back window here. Back wall. Walk your butt right in there. Here it is. Look at this. We can go in the camper. First time going in. We're going in. Oh my gosh. Raise the roof, buddy. It ain't even on. Whew. Tell you what. Bathroom right there. You poop right there. You cut a hole in the floor. You'll poop right there. Yep. There you go.